Hi, in this video I would like to show you how you can create your AMS Air e-manifest manually. So once you've logged into your account on your dashboard or on your AMS Air e-manifest history, you have an option to create new area bill. So click on this button here, and now you will see all the mandatory fields. All the mandatory fields would be indicated with the asterisks. You will also see some optional and conditional fields as well. So what you can do is you can get started by inputting the flight details, starting with the area bill type. So this can be master, simple, or house. Airlines would submit the master. If it is a consolidation, then you would select house, and simple would mean that there are no house bills to follow. So for this example, I'll select house for my consolidated shipment, and then area bill prefix is mandatory, and then followed by master area bill number here, and then you can also input your house area bill number here. Airport of origin, so you can just start typing the airport here, for example, and then the flight details and other details here are not mandatory. And then you would also need to put the shipper and consignee information. So what I can do here is, starting with the shipper name, I can just click on this one. So you can actually save your shipper and consignee information to our database, and you can easily just select from the drop down once you've saved them to the database. So here I have the consignee, for example, and then we need to include some cargo details. If it is an FDA shipment, then you can indicate the FDA here. Piece count is mandatory, weight, and then you would select pounds or kilograms. So for example, I can select pounds, and then if you have marks and numbers, you can put your marks and numbers here, or tracking number here, and then the cargo description is mandatory. And then you can also select these three options here. So for example, if flight is moving under permitted state, you can actually include the destination airport, and then there's a date here as well. And then if it is a split shipment, you would need to indicate part arrival reference, pieces, weight, and pounds or kilograms. And if it is an inbound shipment or local transfer to a bonded facility, then you would indicate these details. So for the demo purposes, I'll just uncheck these. And then once you've done inputting all the information, what you can do is you can save and go back. You can save and create new one, or you can save and clone this house area bill as well. So what I can do is I can just go ahead and save and go back. So now my house area bill has been saved, and what I can do now is I can select today's date, and as you can see, I've created one house area bill, and of course you can create multiple. It's completely up to you, and it is under draft status here. So once you're ready and you've created all of them, what you can do is you can just go ahead and select them and then click send to submit it to CBP. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks very much for watching.